Procrastination is a formidable enemy, one that I have battled many times. It can strike when you least expect it, sapping your motivation and slowing your progress. But fear not, for I have some battle-tested strategies that can help you overcome this foe. You need to have a clear goal in mind. Just like in combat, having a mission objective keeps you focused and on task. Determine what it is you need to accomplish and break it down into manageable steps. This way, you can focus on completing one task at a time rather than feeling overwhelmed by the entire mission. Prioritize your tasks. Just as I must prioritize targets on the battlefield, you must prioritize your tasks in order of importance. This helps you to make the most efficient use of your time and ensures that you are making progress towards your ultimate objective. Avoid distractions. In combat, distractions can mean the difference between life and death. In the battle against procrastination, they can mean the difference between success and failure. Identify the things that distract you and remove them from your environment. This could mean turning off your phone, closing unnecessary browser tabs, or finding a quiet workspace. Hold yourself accountable. As a Spartan, I am always accountable for my actions. Similarly, you must hold yourself accountable for your own progress. Set deadlines for yourself and stick to them. If you find yourself slipping, take a moment to reassess your goals and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, procrastination is not invincible. With the right mindset and a solid battle plan, you can overcome it and emerge victorious. Stay focused, stay motivated, and stay the course.